In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Samurai Deviant in Once Human. So this is actually much simpler than you may have thought, and you can get it quite easily, quite early in the game. Now what you have to do is press your escape key, and then go inside here where it says Manibus Novice, and then up here you want to go to Seasonal Goals, so tab number 2. And then you want to go to the first phase, which is of Mist and Mirage, and in here you want to go to the very right where it says Challenges. And in here, as you can see, the very bottom challenge is use a melee weapon to defeat 200 enemies, and as you can see, you get the Zeno Purifier, which is the Samurai Deviant basically, that's his official name. You can get it for free in here once you defeat 200 enemies with a melee weapon. Now this is actually very simple. Just go to one of the easier zones and try to kill those low-level zombies with your melee weapon, and you should be there very quickly. And then once you've done that, you'll be able to start using your Samurai Deviant, which you can see over here right in front of me. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.